I think the book is different for several reasons. Probably the most important is the fact that it's learner-centered. It's intended to meet students where they are, to tell the students that the author is a human and he knows who you are. He knows why you're here. He knows what this journey means to you, regardless of what your career goal is. And he's there to accompany you on this journey. The book was designed for students, and in some cases it was designed by students. There's various features that came about because a student thought this would be a great way to do that. And so by doing that, by having a book that establishes a rapport with students, that places the student as the central character in the story, I think it is uniquely different among the other organic books on the market. And how cool is it that I get to be on that journey with them, right? Even if it's just through words, the fact that in this story that really centers around them and their journey to whatever it is they're going to do. At this point, just getting through organic chemistry, how cool that I get to share in that journey with them, even if just through my words.